Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Search Console Manual Actions Report for Risk Checks, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Search Console account. From the dashboard, select the property you want to check. Once in the property, navigate to the left-hand menu. Click on Security and Manual Actions. In the submenu that appears, click on Manual Actions. You will see to generate the report, take note of any active manual actions listed. If there are active actions, click on each one for detailed information. Review the specifics of each manual action to understand the issues affecting your site. Now, to download the report, look for the Export option on the page. This option is usually located in the upper right corner of the report section. Select the format you wish to download, typically CSV or Google Sheets. Click on the Export button to download the file. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file using your preferred spreadsheet software. Review the report for any further risk checks or actions you need to take. Make sure to save the report in a secure location for future reference. You have now successfully downloaded the Manual Actions Report from Google Search Console. Use this information to assess the risks associated with your website. Continue monitoring the Google Search Console regularly for any new updates or changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.